Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is for Bahria College THA, Class 10 Federal Board, Subject Biology, Chapter Coordination and Control, Topic Human Brain is prepared by Ms. Mahwish Kanwal. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to describe human brain. This is the complete picture of human brain and description will be below. Human brain, central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Brain is situated inside our body cranium, part of skull. Brain covered by 3 layers called meninges. Meninges protect brain and also provide nutrients and oxygen to brain tissues. Brain contains fluid which is filled with ventricles and central canal is called cerebrospinal fluid. Division of brain. Brain is divided into 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain, it is largest area of brain. It contains thalamus, hypothalamus and cerebrum. Thalamus is involved in pain perception and consciousness. Hypothalamus is involved in link between nervous system and endocrine system. It controls pituitary gland and also control the feelings of pain, pleasure or sorrow. Midbrain. It is lies between forebrain and hindbrain. It controls auditory reflexes. Hindbrain. It have 3 parts: medulla oblongata, cerebrum and pons. Cerebrum is the largest part of the forebrain. It have 2 cerebral hemisphere. It controls skeletal muscles and thinking, intelligence and emotion. This is the complete picture of the brain, which is covered by meninges and protected by skull. It have 4 ventricles. Its brain have 3 parts: midbrain, forebrain and hindbrain. It is secreted by pituitary gland, which is called master gland, which stimulates hypothalamus. Brain, midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata is collectively called as brainstem. Medulla oblongata, it lies on top of spinal cord. It controls breathing, heart rate and blood pressure. It also controls many reflexes like vomiting, coughing and sneezing. Cerebellum, it is behind medulla. It coordinated muscles movement. Pons, pons present on top of medulla. It consists medulla in controlling breathing. Spinal cord, like brain, it also covered with meninges. Vertebral column surrounds and protects spinal cord. Functions of spinal cord. It performs 2 main functions. First, it serves as a link between body parts and brain. It also acts as coordinator and responsible for some simple reflexes. Home task. Question number 1. Briefly explain parts of human brain. Question number 2. Write the 2 functions of each part of brain. Thank you for your cooperation.